I think the whole time na nasa Vancouver, Canada kami ni Bards, inulan kami kaya wala kaming vlog. That's why for today, mini vlog na lang. At isa sa mga highlights ng Vancouver trip namin ay nabisita namin ang warehouse or office ng tito ni Bards kasi nagdi-distribute siya ng mga Vietnamese and Filipino products dito sa Vancouver. From condiments, drinks, coconut cream and milk, pansit to Pinoy siopaw. At hindi ko talaga pinalagpas yung siopaw, trinay ko talaga. And by the way, if you'll buy it, it's frozen so you can just microwave it, but it's best if you'll steam it para mas lumambot yung bread. And as someone na hindi kumakain ng meat sa siopaw, surprisingly na-enjoy ko to siya kasi yung stuffing, it doesn't feel like meat extenders, like real meat talaga yung lasa niya. And I was surprised also kasi meron siyang sausage. Well, I tried the bola-bola, yung asado naman yung tinikman ni Bards and nagustuhan niya din. And since I love buko juice, kaya hindi ko pinalagpas yung coconut water. And this one is from Vietnam. I tried the coconut water without sugar first and I really love it because it doesn't taste like artificial flavoring. Kasi normally sa mga naka-bottled coconut water, malalasahan mo talaga yung artificial flavoring. The second one is with sugar, though this is good but I still prefer the one without sugar. Pero si Bards, ito yung favorite niya. And yes, naubos ko yung siopaw guys kasi that time wala pa akong breakfast. And I also tried this Vietnamese banana chips and I find it really interesting kasi nasanay ako na sa Pinas, yung ginagamit natin is yung saging na saba. Pero ito parang lakatan or latundan basta hindi siya saba guys. At first nanibago talaga ako sa lasa and texture but later on addicting na siya. Nagdala pala kami ng coconut water during our road trip from Vancouver to Calgary. Tapos sinare din namin nung nag-camping kami at nagustuhan talaga ng mga tita ko. Kasi according to them, hindi siya watered down compared sa mga coconut water na na-try nila before. If gusto mo ding matry yung mga products, available sila sa mga Asian stores and markets na to. And if you want to be a distributor, you may send an email sa Easy Trading or message them on Instagram.